Number 1. Milk and Honey Face Mask for Glowing Skin. Milk is rich in fats, vitamins, sugar, and water. Its fat content helps moisturize your skin. Vitamin A promotes healthy skin cells. Vitamin D regulates sebum production and prevents acne. Vitamin E shields skin from UV rays and repairs damaged skin. Vitamin B2 or riboflavin reduces redness and puffiness. And finally, the sugar content in milk provides gentle exfoliation. Honey is packed with antioxidants that neutralize free radicals and prevent premature aging. It also has antibacterial properties that fight acne-causing bacteria. This simple face mask brightens skin tone and evens out the skin texture. To make this face mask, you will need 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Mix them together thoroughly and apply the mixture on your face. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing with lukewarm water. Follow this routine once a week to see improvements in your skin tone and texture. Number 2. Milk and Honey Scrub for Radiant Complexion. This scrub will gently exfoliate dead skin cells, revealing a brighter and more radiant complexion. To make this scrub, mix 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar with 3 tablespoons of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey in a small bowl. Make sure the sugar has completely dissolved. If needed, add a few drops of water to help with the dissolving process. Once the sugar is dissolved, apply the scrub on your face using circular motions. Gently massage your skin for about 5 minutes. Pay attention to areas with rough patches or dry skin. Rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water. Pat your face gently with a clean towel and apply a moisturizer. Use this scrub once a week. Avoid using it more frequently as over-scrubbing can lead to irritation or damage to your skin barrier. No. 3. How to brighten skin with milk and honey. This method will deeply nourish and brighten the skin by providing essential nutrients and antioxidants. Start by cleansing your face with a mild cleanser to remove any dirt or makeup. Rinse your face with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. In a small bowl, combine 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Stir the mixture well to ensure they are thoroughly combined. Apply the milk and honey mixture to your face using a cotton pad or your fingers. Let it sit on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the nutrients and antioxidants to work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse your face with lukewarm water and finish it off with a splash of cool water to tighten your pores. Gently pat your face dry and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. For optimal results, practice this routine once a week. Number 4. Overnight Milk and Honey Mask for Skin Brightening. This mask is designed to deeply nourish and brighten the skin while you sleep. To prepare the mask, mix 1 tablespoon of raw honey with 2 tablespoons of milk in a small bowl. Make sure the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Apply the mask to your face using your fingers or a brush. Pay attention to areas that need extra care, such as dry patches or areas prone to irritation. Allow the mask to absorb into your skin overnight. In the morning, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Finish it off with a splash of cool water to help tighten your pores. Follow up with your regular skincare routine, including a moisturizer and sunscreen. Repeat this routine once a week for best results. Number 5. Milk and Honey Toner for Brightening and Moisturizing Skin. This toner will help in removing impurities, hydrating the skin, and improving its overall appearance. To make this toner, combine 1/4 cup of milk with 2 tablespoons of honey in a small bowl. Use a whisk to blend the ingredients until the mixture looks like a thick cream. Apply the toner to a cotton pad and gently swipe it across your face, paying attention to areas that need extra care. Allow the toner to air dry, leaving a thin layer on your skin. You can use this toner twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening after cleansing your face. 6. How to brighten dark eye circles with milk and honey. Dark eye circles can make you look tired and older than you are. This treatment can help reduce the appearance of dark eye circles by brightening and depigmenting the skin under your eyes. Begin by cleansing the area with a mild cleanser to remove any dirt or impurities. Pat the area dry with a clean towel. In a small bowl, mix 1 teaspoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey. Ensure the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Using your ring finger, gently dab the mixture under your eyes. Avoid getting the solution in your eyes. Leave the mask on for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse the area thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Follow up with a moisturizer suitable for the delicate skin around the eyes. For the best result, repeat this routine once a week. Number 7. Milk and Honey Body Scrub for an even skin tone. This scrub will brighten and smooth your skin, leaving you with a radiant glow. To make this scrub, mix 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1/2 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of honey in a large bowl. Make sure the sugar has completely dissolved. If needed, add a few drops of water to help with the dissolving process. The consistency of the scrub should resemble that of a thick cream. Apply the scrub to your body in circular motions, paying attention to areas with rough or uneven skin tone. Gently massage your skin for about 10 minutes, but avoid scrubbing too hard as it may cause irritation or cuts. Rinse your body thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Follow up with a moisturizer to keep your skin hydrated. Use this scrub once a week to achieve an even and glowing skin tone. 8. How to lighten skin with milk and honey pack. This pack will help in lightening the skin by reducing the production of melanin, which is responsible for skin darkening. It also has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin and promote healing. To prepare this pack, mix 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of milk and 1 teaspoon of honey in a small bowl. Stir the mixture well to ensure all the ingredients are combined properly. Apply the pack to your face using your fingers or a brush, focusing on areas with hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone. Allow the pack to sit on your skin for 10 to 15 minutes, allowing the ingredients to work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse your face thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat it dry with a clean towel. Follow up with a lightweight moisturizer. Use this pack once a week for best results. Number 9. Milk and honey cream for brightening and moisturizing skin. This cream is an excellent choice if you have dry or sensitive skin and want to brighten and moisturize your complexion. It's important to note that this recipe yields a small quantity of cream, so feel free to double or triple the recipe according to your needs. To make this cream, combine 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of honey in a small bowl. Use a whisk to blend the ingredients until they form a thick and creamy consistency. Apply the cream to your face using your fingers or a brush, paying attention to areas that need extra care. Allow the cream to absorb into your skin, leaving a thin protective layer. For best results, use this cream twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening. Number 10. Milk and honey lip balm for brightening and hydrating lips. This lip balm will help brighten and hydrate your lips, giving you a healthier and more radiant smile. To make this lip balm, mix 1 teaspoon of milk and 1/2 teaspoon of honey in a small bowl. Ensure the ingredients are thoroughly combined. Apply the lip balm to your lips using a clean toothbrush or applicator. Leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes to allow the ingredients to work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse your lips thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat them dry with a clean towel. For best results, repeat this routine once a week. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional or dermatologist before using any new skincare products or treatments, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. While milk and honey are generally safe for most people, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or skin irritation. Remember to patch test any new product on a small area of your skin before applying it to your entire face or body. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to our channel for more informative content on beauty, health, and wellness. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.